Listen, I need to talk to you.
Okay.
Here, let me take that. I'm not gonna eat here tonight.
You're not gonna eat here tonight.
Let me tell you why. Your dinners taste like shit.
What?
This is not funny. This is hard for me to talk about.
My dinners do not taste like shit.
Angie, is this going in the crock pot?
Yeah?
Okay, I can't do this anymore.
What are you talking about?
Nothing tastes good in the crock pot.
That is not true.
The past 3 times you've cooked things, it hasn't been good, honey. And I'm not eating here anymore.
Are you joking right now?
Until you learn how to cook better.
That's not true. You jerk.